How to sign in to Amazon A to Z employee login portal. Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to easily log into your Amazon A to Z employee portal. First off, go ahead and search for that on your web browser and click on the first link. Once you do that, first you're going to have to enter your login details. So enter your Amazon alias or username. And if you're having trouble with that, you could just click on Forgot Alias. I'm just going to tap on Continue. And on the next step, you will be asked to enter your password. You could also use fingerprint, face, or device passcode if you have already set it up. If not, then you could just enter your Amazon login username and then your password. If you want to view your password to confirm, tap on the Show Password button. Tap on the login option and you should be able to log in without any problem. Then the next step is if you've forgotten your password, you could tap on Forgotten Your Password, enter your Amazon login, and you should be able to get a reset link on your email that's connected to your Amazon account. That is basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.